Hi, welcome to TechRanch, a place where we learn and earn technical skills in the most efficient way. Let's make coding fun. Algorithm and its implementation. Online scale converter. So this particular project is going to work on all kind of available measurement units conversion. This is the most important and regular used application we have faced in our daily life. Since in our different continents and the countries, they have a different references of measurement units. So we always face problem to convert. So this tool will help us to convert from all kind of measurement units. In this session, we are going to cover the requirement, the design, and the implementation, demonstration, execution of this project, and in the end we'll see to improvise this project in a homework. Now let's take a look at the requirements. Metrics.com is named as an online scale converter which will help to convert all types of measurement units available in worldwide. Static web application, it will not included any kind of database access or server access. It is not needed. It is an optional. But for now, in this project implementation, static programming language to implement this feature. Precise output values, so it will be more precise and accurate converted values, compatible to integrate to other application. All you can integrate to your application as an extra feature. Since it is not included any kind of dynamic content, so you can simply integrate it. Now let's take a look at the design. Metrics.com, the online scale converter, will include a home page. This home page will have the options of conversion for distance, temperature, weight, length, and speed in a category. So for example, we'll take about weight. Weight has kilograms, pounds, ounces. So we can convert each other to other measuring units. Similarly, for temperature, we have Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. For distance, we have miles, yard, meters, and length. And we have yards, inches, feet. So all these measuring units are going to be converted to each other. Let's take a look at the implementation. Since it is a static web application, so we are using HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS to give some style sheet, and JavaScript to implement the formulas in the algorithm of all conversion of these metrics. Web server, it is an optional, but it's preferred to have it a server deployment and named as an metrics.com. Let's take a look at the source code. So since we have learned that we have JavaScript, so you can see the JavaScript here. For example, we are converting from feet to yards. So here, all you need to have a script, write a function, and in this function, we are simply making a call of an ID of your input, and from there it will take it and implement the formula of conversion from yards to feet. To make it precise, we are using 2 precision, and 4,2 will give you the number of digits and the after decimal conversion. And in the output, you can see we are simply calling in a spam output, and this is what the HTML. Now this is our style sheet. You can see here we have all kinds of objects we have used in HTML. We are giving some different colors and styles and alignment and size and weight. So all these features you can add it with the help of style. This is our project application. Now let's take a look at the demonstration. So this will be our home page. You can have some options: weight, temperature, speed, length, and distance. And once you choose any specific thing, since I choose weight, it will give you this type of output. Now let's take a look at the execution. So this is my application, online scale converter, metrics.com. Let's take a look at the home page and see the execution, how it goes. I have to deploy it in server to have it feel how it looks. So you can see this is my browser and this is my home page. So TechCrunch presents Metrics.com online scale converter. Let's take a look at the weight. So this is my weight converter homepage, and all I need to just give 1 pound to convert it into grams. This is 453, and on the other side, from grams to pound, just giving 1 gram, which is converted to pounds. Since from grams to pounds is very least number, so we can increase it, and as much as you increase the number of value of grams, this will precisely convert it into the pounds. So this is how it works. You can see. Since it is a static page, I don't have to just insert it, a button and all. It will convert it in quick. Just enter the number in the input value. So kilograms into grams and grams into kilograms. Ounces to grams and grams to ounces. So this is weight converter. Similarly, we have temperature, Fahrenheit, Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit, Kelvin to Celsius, and Celsius to Kelvin. Speed, miles per hour, kilometer per hour, miles per hour to knots, knots to kilometer per hour, knots machine to knots, knots to machines, machines to mph, and miles per hour and kilometer per hour from machines. Next, length. You can see length has a lot of values here: yards, feet, meters, centimeters. So from feet to yards, meters to inches, meters to centimeter, inches to centimeter, centimeters to yards, centimeters to kilometers, centimeters to miles, feet to meters, feet to inches, feet to centimeter, feet to kilometers, feet to miles, and vice versa. Similarly, we have for distance. Distance basically calculated with the help of the length measurement. But it is a different use. We use distance references in case we go with the travel, and length we use with reference to our height or any other product size. So this is why I keep the difference, but length and distance are almost the same reference measurement value. So you can see yards, meters, kilometers, meters, miles, yards to kilometers, yards to miles, kilometers to miles. So since it is in a tabular form, you can have it in a other form of output and input. So this is the execution of Metrics.com online scale converter. So Metrics.com, for practice more about this feature, what you can improve by adding more measurement units, add more graphics to make it more interactive and organized, structured web application. You can try to make it more different ways to take input values and add pop-up message or alert message for output values. So there are so many ways you can work on this type of idea and algorithm. So this is all about the online scale converter. In the next algorithm and implementation session, we are going to learn about how we can write and read file operations using Java. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Let's make coding fun. Thank you.